Ask your students, what is a noun? Many students will answer, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Great! Now ask them to write a sentence using nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs together. And many students suddenly get stuck. Why does this happen? This happens because grammar is often taught through memorization. Grammar-only lessons are dull, boring, and ineffective. They kill the joy of learning. Instead, grammar should be taught in context. Today, we'll look at the 8 parts of speech and practical ways to teach them in a much more meaningful way.
A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea.
Instead of giving students a list of nouns, use real classroom objects. Point around the classroom and ask questions. What is this? It's a desk. What do we call this? It's a chair. What is that? It's a pen.
Write the words on the board and say, these are nouns. They name things. Here's another activity. Show a picture and ask students to list all the nouns they can see. This helps students connect nouns with real-world meaning. A pronoun replaces a noun, so we don't repeat the same word again and again. In my example here, instead of repeating Sabrina, we use the pronoun she. Use a substitution activity. Write, Tom has a dog. Tom loves the dog. Ask students, can we make this sentence sound better? Students replace nouns with pronouns. Tom has a dog. He loves it. Students see how pronouns make sentences shorter and more natural. A verb shows an action or a state of being.
Use TPR, total physical response. Give commands. Jump. Clap. Turn around. Run.
Students perform the actions. Then write the verbs on the board. Students immediately understand verbs show actions. You can also ask students to act out verbs while classmates guess the word. An adjective describes a noun. It tells us what kind, which one, or how many. Take a look at how I teach the adjectives rude and polite. I show a picture and ask my students whether what they see is rude or polite. They must answer in a complete sentence. This helps develop life skills and reinforces correct sentence structure. Another great activity is picture description. Students describe what they see. This encourages natural use of adjectives. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Many adverbs describe how something happens.
Use action contrast. Ask student a question. How do you eat? I eat slowly. How do you speak? I speak quietly.
A preposition shows the relationship between words, usually location or direction. Here's a good game to help students practice prepositions. Enjoy.
Hello everyone, who wants to be the first player and go outside? Teacher Teacher, me. I'll do it. Please go outside and wait. When we are ready, I will ask you to come in. But before you leave, please take a good look at the classroom and remember as much as you can. So, what do you see? What do you see? Ooh, I see it. There are 2 chairs on the desks. Yes, that's right. Oh. There is a school bag under the desk. Good, well done. Oh. Val is fat. He has no hair. There are 2 sentences on the blackboard. Excellent! Good job. Oh. There is a chair behind the teacher's desk. Yes, you got it. Well done. Ooh. I see that. There is a tiger on the blackboard. Wow, awesome! Great! You said 5 sentences, which means you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. Well done. Who's next? Next team. It's your turn.
A conjunction connects words, phrases, or sentences. Use sentence combining. Write 2 short sentences on the board. I like pizza. I like pasta. Ask students to combine them. Students respond, I like pizza and pasta. This helps students see how conjunctions connect ideas. An interjection expresses strong emotion. Use role play and reactions. Show surprising pictures or funny images. Ask students, what would you say? Wow, this painting is beautiful. This ice cream is delicious. Oh no, I left my homework at home. Ouch, I fell off the bike. This shows that interjections are emotional reactions in language. Prepare 5 columns on the board. Who, verb, how, where, and when. Give an example. Students create funny sentences. This helps students see how different parts of speech build sentences. Write a simple sentence. The cat sleeps. Ask students to improve it step by step. Step 1. Add an adjective. The small cat sleeps. Step 2. Add an adverb. The small cat sleeps quietly. Step 3. Add a prepositional phrase. The small cat sleeps quietly on the sofa. Students clearly see how grammar builds richer sentences. Give students a short paragraph. Put them into teams. Give them a minute. Students find nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, or conjunctions. This encourages noticing grammar inside real text. Show a detailed picture. Students describe it using prompts. What do you see? What are they doing? What are they like? How are they doing it? Where are they? This integrates grammar with speaking.
Students don't need to memorize grammar. They need to see it, hear it, and use it. When students see grammar in real sentences, they start to understand how language works. When they hear it in conversations and stories, the patterns become familiar. And when they use it in speaking and writing, grammar stops being a rule on a worksheet and becomes a tool for communication. So instead of asking students to memorize definitions, help them notice grammar in context. Let them build sentences, try new ideas, and use language to express themselves. Because in the end, grammar is not the goal. Communication is. And the 8 parts of speech are simply the pillars that help students build clear and confident communication. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow. And if you'd like ready-to-use lessons and games, check out my Teacherval store or Teachers Pay Teachers, where you can find discounts through the bundle builder. Links are in the description. You can also support the channel through Super Thanks or by becoming a member. Thanks for being here and for everything you do for your students. See you in the next one.